Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. It's your boy Kev coming at you with another exciting video today. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $160 per day, and that's being conservative. Alrighty, and what you're going to be doing is just from downloading files. So stick around, I can't wait to get you started on that, and I'm going to time warp you into that right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. Like I said earlier, I'm going to show you how you can make $160 per day with downloaded files, and that's probably being conservative. It could be even more than that, way more than that. Alrighty, first of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com, and if this is your first time to my videos, what we do here is how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, anything to do with making money, online videos to help bring financial and time freedom into your life. Alrighty, and once in a while we throw a motivational video in there as well. Alrighty, also if this is your first time to my videos or to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed, reach down there right now while I'm talking about it and you're thinking about it and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on this channel. Alrighty guys, well, let's go ahead and get started in today's video. I'm excited to show this to you. It's a really great way to make some pretty darn good money here, and you're going to see it here right now. So we're going to come right over here to our favorite browser, Opera, and we load it up here. Have a look at this site right here. It's called DL Upload. You see it up here in the address bar, dlupload.com. Upload files and make money. Now hold on, I can hear some of you now. Kevin, you just said we were going to make money from downloaded files. Well, hang on a moment. Just hang in there with me. You know your boy Kev's always got your back. Alright? Have a look at this paragraph right here. DL Upload. Pay per download program lets you earn money with your files. Upload your files, share your link, and for every download you earn money. And that's great, it says. Some of the features on this site here are cloud storage. We understand how important it is for your files. We use SSD cloud server drives to store your files for better reliability and faster performance. And then they have a super speed servers located in multiple locations across 30 plus countries, which provide the best downloading speed to every user in any country. So there you go guys, this is available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're at. Now, before we come back to this, we want to see about how we're going to make money here, right? Before we come back to this, let's come down here and look at the rest of this. It says there's 3 easy steps to do this, to start generating money immediately, and then you can request a payout. First is create your account, and that's easy enough to do. You just come up here to where it says register, or you can click here and click on register. It opens up this little application or form here. Put your first and last name in, a good email address, because they're probably going to send you a confirmation email to verify that that's your email address, okay? Put your phone number in, your gender, your birth date, your address, country, and city, and also create a good password for your account here. And don't forget to check this box here that you agree with the terms and conditions, and you can read those and the privacy policy by these links as well right here. Alright, so that's how you get registered. It's free, doesn't cost anything to do this. Alright, and then create your account, upload your files, share your files or your link, and then start earning money. And it says pay per download program, upload and earn every time your file gets downloaded. Program is the simplest program which lets you earn money every time your files get downloaded by users. The more you share, the more you earn. DL Upload provides upload and earn feature with highest payout rates ever. Your earning rate depends on the country from which your download is coming. And you can check the earning rates by clicking here, and then you can register right here. Is another register button as well. So let's find out how much money can be made, and I've got a good suggestion for you on how you can do this. All right, so hang in there with me. That's coming here in just a moment. Now, so quick payout says we provide fast and easy payout to users with dozens of payout methods available. We only limit the minimum payout amount to $5. So all you got to have is $5 in your account, and then you can request a payout if you want. You can request a payout by PayPal, Isawa in Nepal, Paytm in India, and so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and click on this. See the pricing right here. And it says the DL upload payout rates. What do we offer? Uploading service up to 2 gigabytes for each file. So in other words, you can have a 2 gigabyte file uploaded at any one time. That's if you want. I don't know. That's a pretty huge file. You can have a video file if you want. That'd probably be about that big. I suppose that'd even be a pretty huge file. Steady servers with huge storage and network speed. Downloading, loading, and watching services in maximum quality. Earn money from your files, videos, songs, software, photos, drawings, articles, and other types of files. And we limit 30 gigabyte file storage capacity per user. So 30 gigabytes of storage capacity for free. That's pretty large. That's pretty large. That's lots of files. Payout information. Minimum payout is $5. You earn wisely through our uploading network. Your withdrawal will be cleared every week, every Sunday through our team members. But before we send you withdrawal, we check all the downloads made by you before sending the payments. And here's how much you get paid. Group A is the United States, Canada, Australia, and the United Kingdom. The payout for every downloaded file there is $8. Pretty good, huh? Group B is in United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, and European countries. It's $6 per download there. Group C is India, Nepal, Pakistan, and all other countries of the world. It's $5 per download of any one file that you have. That's actually pretty good. Now you want to make sure you read the rules and conditions here if you come to this website, dlupload.com. I'm not going to read through all these rules here, but the one to pay attention to right here is we count every successful 100% completed download. Okay, in other words, if somebody starts to download your files, and for example, and they lose their internet connection, and that download stops, you won't be credited with that. Or if they manually stop the download, you're not going to get credited with that. Okay, something to pay attention to. Now it says don't click on your own links or your file, or ask any friend of yours to do this for you. It says here it's easy to discover it. Don't delete your files gathered money after it's gathered money when you request payment, and don't share your files in sites use software to extract the download link without loading the page. And so yeah, you got to be careful of copyright. You guys can read this when you come over here. These rules and conditions. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Just don't try to cheat the system that they have, because they're paying pretty good money here. Just for one file download, you're paying pretty good money. So don't try to cheat their system just to, try to, get more money out of it or anything like that. Treat it with fairness and treat it rightly, and it will work pretty good for you. Now, one of the suggestions that I suggest here, how you could make a lot of money, and how I came up with $160 per day. Let's bring up the calculator here, and I'll show you this. Now, I want to give you an example. This is my suggestion. For example, if you have a playlist of songs that you like, of music that you like, okay, you can, a lot of good music that you like, a playlist of maybe, 10, 15, 20 songs or whatever, and it's in a folder or whatever, you can upload those files to this server here, and let's say, and you get a shareable link, and let's say you put your link to your playlist on all the social media platforms and share it there. Like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Reddit, just to name 5 of them. There's many others I'm sure that you know about. Share your links on there. Now, let's just say, for example, if you had 20 people, look at the calculator here, 20 people download your playlist per day. That's $8. Let's say, now this is saying that you're in the United States here, right? Group A. So for 20 people, 20 times your playlist gets downloaded. Times that by $8. What do you get? That's $160. Do you think you could get 20 people in one day to download your music, your playlist? Or for any of your stuff. You can put any videos, you can put anything up on here, as you saw earlier. Software, videos, songs, software, programs, photos, drawings, articles, and others. Do you think you could get 20 people to download your songs and playlists after you shared your link on all those other social media platforms? I'm being pretty, like I said, I'm being conservative here. That's 120. All you needed is 20 people to download that in one day, each day. 20 people. That's pretty conservative. What about if you had 100 downloads per day? Let's take a look at that. So 100 times 8. That's $800, guys. $800 you made in one day. Now let's say let's take the low end over here, Group C, over here in India, Nepal, Pakistan, and all other countries. Let's have a look at that. If they had 20 downloads off of a example being a playlist of music that you have, and that's what you wanted to upload, it can be anything. And let's say you had 20 people just downloaded 20 times in one day. I think that's awful conservative. I really do. So times $5, you're looking at $100 right there. That's $100 in one day, just for 20 people. 20 times that your file was downloaded in one day. That's amazing. That's really good money. If you really got good at this, you could actually make a full-time living out of this. I would think you could really do pretty good with this. Well, guys, that's what I had to show you today. Wanted to show you this really cool, exciting way that you can make some pretty good money off of this website, DL Upload, just by having people download your software or files or music or whatever off of this site and make pretty good money. Alrighty, guys. Also, hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And also, if you want to see, I have a free video training now. That if you click the link down there that you see up the top of your video there, it says mentorwithkev.com. Click that link down there at the top of my description where you see it says mentorwithkev.com and get my free video training and check out my business at the end of that funnel there, where you can make up to even anywhere from $300 to $4,000 in just one day, and that will really free up your life pretty quick. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to leave you with that here. And I hope you take action on this and you get some good success with it, okay? I'll see you guys again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Bye-bye now.